Oh my God, look at this crazy girl. I have no idea why she's so focused on bending this golden wire. Honestly, she looks a little mad to me, but something tells me she's about to create something amazing. I guess we'll only know what it is once we watch the full video. While she's working so hard, how about giving her efforts a like? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, I've come to believe that each of us has a personal calling, something as unique as a fingerprint. The best way to succeed is to discover what you truly love, and then find a way to share that passion with the world through your work. And while doing that, allow the universe to guide your path. Oh, wow. She's actually made an incredible golden bird. It looks absolutely beautiful, like a piece of art with life in it. For more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay inspired.